everyone, and welcome to this unboxing. So today we're unboxing Boxycharm's Premium. It is $35 a month. You get, I think, 6 to 7 full-sized items. I don't remember how much you're supposed to get a value of. I didn't get to see any spoilers this month. I was really busy because I'm an essential worker, so this is my part-time job. Well, my hobby. I pay for my boxes myself. And, so yeah, let's unbox with me. So, I was kind of excited to see this on my porch when I got home today. And even though it's late, I thought, oh, we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So, Boxycharm gives you these little cards and they tell you everything and the price of them, which we will go over as we unbox them. This month is Sunshine, and I got variation 55. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. And I kind of see something on the back of this that I'm really excited for. I don't get excited very often, so let's see what we got. I wish there was a way that this could, like, we will work it out. So the first item I pulled out is by Laura Geller, and it says Line and Define Eyeliner. I do like the liquid eyeliner. I have never had her products. This is a $24 item. It's kind of big. Oh, look at that. Like, it's two different things. Like, that's kind of like, is that like a crayon? Oh, it is. I like that. Oh, check out that. It's like a big Sharpie. Oh, and it glides really good. I'm gonna like that. I'm not gonna lie. And it's in black, so black goes with everything. So the next item I see is by Bryro Better Essence Toner. I've done a lot of toners lately. This item is a $95 item. What has it got? Freaking glitter or gold in it or something? It says it's a green toner. I don't know what the difference between green toners and regular toners are. Oh, it's got a little thing. I don't know why I smelled it. It's not going to smell good. It's toner. It's not bad. It just isn't going to be, like, really great. I don't really use toners very often, so, but I'll give it a go. And you'll have to excuse my overzealous son upstairs that's very excited for the Smite that he's playing. The next item is this one. We'll go with this one. I can't believe this thing is $95. It better, like, do everything I need it to do. So this says it's a revitalizing milk and honey cuticle oil by Cutico Natural Luxury Spa. It says it's $18 with vitamin E, honey. I don't know what it does. It says nourish the cuticles and skin. So, let's see what it does. Not that my hands are fantastic. I don't know if you can tell, like, they're really not. I work retail, and you don't get a lot of time to take care for yourself. So we'll just dab some on, why not? And I will check it out. I'm always game. Well, it probably was a lot more than I needed. Let's see if I can get this rubbed somewhat in. So, this one has it on, and this one has it not on. So, I don't know if you can really tell. but it just looks like I put oil on it. So I don't know. I'll give it a go. The next item in this, it says it's by Fully Fire. Fully Fire, I am not seeing on here. Oh, Folly Fire. It is a matte manipulation tool. I sure hope that this is better than the other one. I had gotten one of these. I know I did. And I literally opened it. It was completely shattered. So I'm going to hope that this one shipped better than the other one, because I was kind of disappointed because it was a color I thought I'd really like. And then when I complained, they sent me one and it literally was the same. But yeah, that looks like all in one piece, and so I'm pretty stoked about that. So it looks like it's 3 different lipsticks. Sunset Boulevard, Full House, and Here to Stay. So I will flip these up so you can see that the colors. Looks like that Here to Stay looks like it's really freaking bright. I think that's what I had before too, was the Here to Stay. And it's not as bright out. We'll pull it out real quick. And it was completely broke at the base. So. Ooh, this one is not broke at all. But it is very, very red. So we'll have to give that a go. I think the other one we decided that we're just going to have to use a brush to use. And this was, oh, I said it, $39.90. And then it looks like I have this, which is by, I don't know what this is, Kina of Ontiveros Beauty. I'm sure I butchered that. I am so sorry. This says Set and Define Kit. I don't know what that means yet. It's obviously a palette of some kind. Oh, it looks like a face palette. So it's... I don't know why I smell things. Like, do you all smell things? Oh, those are pretty. There's a bronzer down here. It tells you what they all do. I might be able to get this better. I don't do this very often, so I don't know. That bronzer might be a little bit too dark for me. I don't know what the mattify is or the set is. I'm sure I'll learn, but that's what those are. A couple of them swatched on my hand. I do like that this is like a leopardy print. I don't know, but this is cost is $42. And then the last item, which I'm kind of excited for, is the Morphe and Manny MUA palettes. I was kind of stoked when I heard this was going to be in this box. I'm not going to lie, because I kind of wanted it. But these are the colors, and it's like got 2 highlights over here, so I'll swatch a few colors. We'll swatch Fire Witch, because why not? Spellbound, and then Scorpio and Aries. So we'll swatch them on this hand because it's got the eyeliner. And that's what those look like. So that's kind of neat. I like those. Let's throw a Cancer up here too, because I kind of like this purple Cancer. It's kind of not overly purple and kind of shimmery. So that's kind of neat. Let's see if I can get all these back down here. And that is, 1, 2, 3. Yep, that is my Boxy Premium for the month of July. Right there. So if you've enjoyed this, you can hit all of my buttons down below. If this looks interesting, I'll leave all of the links in the description. And as always, stay safe and I heart your face.